Hey guys, it's Shalane and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be organizing my books. Now, without further ado, let's get started. So on the top shelf here, to put my favorite books that I have read, I'll put all of those up there. Starting with this one, Winterwood. So I'm actually just gonna move this closer. We'll put that at the top, and I'll move it further away so you can see the final. Oh my, okay. Next up we have The Book Thief. The Book Thief was a gift for my birthday from my aunt. Thank you so much, Auntie Sarah, if you're watching this. I loved it. And then I have a couple series of books. The first one is Absolutely Truly, which is the sequel, and they were both great. I would totally recommend if you're into teenage mysteries. Next up we have Nevermore, The Trials of Morgan Crow, and Wondersmith, The Calling of Morgan Crow. Now this is from the Nevermore series. So I have the Whipple Scrumptious chocolate box. I believe I received this as a gift, and it has Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, The Missing Golden Ticket, and Charlie and the Glass Elevator. The Witches. Oh, this was so good. That was a really good book. And then my dad, he gave me this for Christmas a few years ago, The Wonderful Story of Henry Sugar and Six More, and another Roald Dahl book. And I look forward to reading those. Okay, next on to other books that I enjoyed. There are 3 that I haven't told here. Chasing Lincoln's Killer. Oh, this was so good. I would highly, highly, highly recommend this book. It is all based on true events, I'm pretty sure. And then I have Wish here. Next we have Clicked. And so that is the first shelf done. Okay, moving on to the second shelf. I have a way that I want to set up a book. So this is kind of a tutorial video, kind of like just a book tour. But on the top shelf you saw I had all of the books lined up from around tallest to shortest. And I think that is a great way to organize your books. However, I would also suggest stacking them like this, one on top of the other. And I think that is a great idea because you can see the spine of the book, you can see how thick it is, and you can see the author, the publisher, title. It's all good. And yeah, another way that you can organize them is just leaning them up against like this, like so. So if you have books stacked like this and like this, which I am planning on doing, then the books that you don't necessarily want to read are back there, out of sight, out of mind, but you still have them available to you. And then on the bottom, I am planning on just also stacking them like I did on the top. However, they're going to be my tall books. So while I'm here, I'm going to show you my top 3 favorites out of these tall books. And, top 4 actually. And then that'll wrap up the video. Okay, so the first one is The German Midwife. The German Midwife was a great book filled with several emotions. There was romance, there was sadness, there was anger, and I just think it's everything you need in a book. It also takes place in World War II. Next is The Secret Orphan, another World War II fictional novel. Same emotions as The German Midwife, but more intense. And then we have The Wicked Saints. This is a fantasy novel, and it was actually very interesting. I wouldn't recommend it to everyone, but it was really good. It's kind of like an on-the-run kind of novel. And then lastly, we have Animal Farm, George Orwell's graphic, or I guess it was his essay, and this is a graphic novel form. I got this for Christmas last year. I just want to show you the illustrations. Like, it's gorgeous. Last thing that I want to share with you is how to organize your bookmarks. So I have a collection of bookmarks here, as you can see, and it might be hard for you to figure out what you should do with them. And so what I do is I just put them on the top shelf. I think the top shelf is a really good place because you go there, you see it a lot, and it's not like it'll make a big mess because it's all in this little area here. And so yeah, I would highly recommend doing such a thing as that. I hope you enjoyed this video. I thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like this and you would want to see more. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!